Welcome back to part 5 of the FZ07 build. It's very early as you just saw, but that's because we are finally painting the wheels today for my bike. I'm super excited to see how these things turn out. Let's get straight into it. Well, if you ever taped off a wheel before, you know how tedious that is. Alright guys, I got the wheels all taped off and in the booth, and I got a little surprise that I'm going to be adding to the wheels that I'm going to show you right now. Boom. We got some wheel stickers that we are going to slap on there before the clear coat and clear over these bad boys. It's going to look sweet. Let's do this. Alright guys, so I don't know how well that GoPro footage turned out, but I don't want to get overspray on this camera. But if you could see from that footage how I was just kind of spinning the wheel and then spraying, that worked like a charm. Made it so much easier to cover the whole wheel. Just spin it and hold the gun in one spot. So yeah, that's pretty sweet. I'm happy that worked so well. Let's keep moving on. We got to mix up the color now. And there you guys have it. The wheels have finally been painted. They turned out amazing. I'm super happy with them. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned if you want to see the rest of this build finally come to an end. As always, I like to know who made it to the end of the video. So if you made it to the end of the video, let me know down in the comments what you think of the color of the wheels and if you like it or not. So that way I know who made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, whoops. Say a prayer, ride safe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.